Mastering short-form content to steal attention. Phil Bacon. There's so much to see and so little time. Short-form content has become a game changer for brands trying to stand out. It's all about getting noticed and connecting with people in a busy online world. Our detailed paper, The Rise of Short-Form Content in Digital Marketing, Strategies, Impact and What's Next, dives deep into this big shift, offering tasty tips for marketers ready to make the most of it. Short-form content, lasting just a few seconds to a couple of minutes, is everywhere now, thanks to places like TikTok, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. It's just what today's fast-moving world loves: snappy, fun and easy to digest. It's a direct line to getting people engaged and remembering your brand, slicing through the online clutter with ease and impact. What makes short-form content work? The secret sauce of short-form content isn't just its shortness. It's about being able to share a message, entertain, inform and get people moving all super quickly. It pushes marketers to be more creative and come up with stories that really hit home with their audience. AI and new tech have totally changed the game for us making and sharing short-form content. These tools let you create stuff that's just right for each person, helping get more people interested. They also let you see how well your content is doing, so you can make it even better. Our guide goes into all this, showing how tech can take your short-form content to the next level. Smart moves for marketers. Using short-form content smartly means thinking about more than just what's trendy. It's about knowing how to use this style to meet your goals, whether that's getting more people to know your brand or making sales. The world of digital marketing never stands still, and neither does short-form content. As new features pop up and tech gets better, there will be even more ways to create and share amazing content. Our guide looks at what might come next, helping you stay ahead and keep your marketing fresh and exciting. Why you need this guide. For marketers who want to sharpen their skills and get real results, our guide is essential. It's packed with insights, strategies you can really use, and examples from the real world, making it a full-on guide to winning with short-form content in today's online world. Getting this paper means getting a deep understanding of short-form content and how to use it to make sure your brand doesn't just keep up, but stands out. To sum it up, short-form content is more than a passing trend. It's a crucial part of talking to today's audiences, needing creativity, smart planning, and a good grasp of the latest tech. With the tips and strategies in our guide, you can boost your marketing, get more people engaged, and hit your business goals in the ever-changing scene of digital marketing. To unlock the full potential of short-form content and give your marketing strategy a major upgrade, download our guide today. Let's take your marketing to new heights together.